Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Today it's kind of like comforting dish, hot sandwich. It is so good. It is with a Parmesan crust and then cheddar cheese inside, ham, onion and tomato. And butter of course. It is so delicious and it is perfect when you really want to treat yourself with something not so healthy. Maybe during a weekend, maybe when you're feeling sorry for yourself because you drank too much the day before or the night before. It is just such a delicious toast, as we call it in Denmark. Hot sandwich, yeah, so delicious. So let's get started so I can start eating. You make as many as you want to, but right here I just have 2 pieces of toast. I'm just going to butter one side of them both. Then I've shredded lots and lots of Parmesan cheese. I just have kind of like a whole plate here with Parmesan cheese, and I've just made enough for around 4 hot sandwiches. But just dipping that butter side down and do it with the both of them. On the other side, I'm going to add a bit of cheddar cheese just to make the filling stick a bit. Then on with some ham, thin slice of tomato, and a thin slice of onion, and some more cheddar cheese on top, and just the other bread on top. And make as many as you want to, as I've already said, but all I have to do now is just add it into my toast or panini machine. I'm just using some panini plates today because I really like the look of my toast when they have those grilled marks. When you've made as many as you want to, they are ready to be served. Wow guys, that is heavenly. That crispy Parmesan crust, melted cheese inside the ham, soft tomato and that red onion. It is such a good combination. You don't need an ingredients list for this because there's no measurements, but all ingredients are still down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here and check again soon for my next video. Bye!